when I finally we were ordained, I was asked to study in Manila, and I will come here to Grace Park to celebrate Mass as a young priest. And it was always joy to be in Grace Park. Unfortunately, yes. The church was not as big as it is now. But I remember the seminary house of the scholastics. It was a 4-step house